Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn a simple C++ program for finding whether given number is prime or not. So let us start our code. We have taken one header file hash include iostream.h. Iostream stands for input output stream dot header file. Our next header file is hash include conio.h, that means console input output dot header file. Then we have taken main method and we are using return type as integer. So at the last of the program we will return something. We have declared three variables. I variable is for controlling for loop, n is simple number that we will insert, that we want to find whether this number is prime or not. Initially we have set flag variable as 0. We have initialized value of flag with 0. Then we are taking clear screen. Then we are using cout statement, enter positive number, and we are scanning that particular number into the compiler using cin, then operator and n. Then we are using one for loop. Then we are starting with number 2, I less or equal to n by 2, I plus plus. For example, if I am entering n as 3, that means my positive value will be 3. So obviously I will start from 2, I less or equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2, that means 1.5, that is 1. So 2 is not equals to 1. So it will not at all enter into the flag. Directly it will check condition. As I have entered n as 3, it will not enter into my if control statement. Then it will check value of the flag. Else if flag equals to 0, yes, we have flag as 0. You just can see we have initialized value of flag with 0. So flag is 0, so it will print simply 3 is a prime number. It will not enter into the else part. So let us run this code. You should use Alt F9 for compiling this code, and then after Control F9 for running this code. Enter positive number as 3. So you just can see that 3 is a prime number. Let us enter 4. So if you enter 4, kindly understand this for loop. So my n will be 4. I will start from 2, and 2 is less or equals to 4 by 2. That means 2 is less or equals to 2. So obviously it will enter into my for loop. Then 4 modulus by 2, obviously it is 0. So my flag will set to 1 and my loop will terminate. So for value of the flag, it will enter into the else part and it will print 4 is not a prime number. So let us enter 4. You just can see that it is printing output as 4 is not a prime number. Same way, if you enter 5, for example, if you enter n as 5, so it will start from 2, I less or equal to 5 by 2, that means 2.5, that is 2. So obviously 2 is less or equals to 2, so it will obviously enter into my for loop. Then it will check n modulus I condition, 5 modulus 2, so obviously it will return 1. So it is 1, so it will not enter into my if statement. So now my I value will increase to 3. So here I will become 3 and n by 2 value was 2.5, that is 2. So 3 is less or equals to 2, condition becomes false. So it will exit from my for loop and my flag value is obviously 0. So it will not enter into this if structure, if it enter into this else if structure, and simply it will print 5 is a prime number. So this way you can trace the logic of whether entered number is prime or not. For example, I am entering 18, so it should print 18 is not a prime number. If I am entering, for example, 23, it should print 23 is a prime number. So it's a perfect logic of displaying whether input number or whether number n is prime or not. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.